Good morning, students. This is your next section of your Python Pandas series. Last time we have learned, in our last lecture, we have learned how to create Python series using your ND array. Fine, students. And now we will continue with the same, and we will learn another way how to create Python Pandas series. Fine, students. This is again, I have opened your Jupyter notebook where we are going to create our Python program. Fine, students. Now again I'll tell you how to create your Python Pandas series. So very first line of our program is always to import Python Panda library. Fine, student. Import pandas as PD. Fine. Here in place of PD you can use anything that you want to use. PD normally is the short form of pandas. इसकी जगह आप कोई भी नाम जो आप लिखना चाहते हैं, जो आप अपने प्रोग्राम में यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फाइन, स्टूडेंट. बट पांडास की जगह आप कुछ और यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज़ प्री डिफाइंड. पांडास को कोई और आप नाम देना चाहते हैं तो PD की जगह पे वो नाम आप दे सकते हैं. अगर आपको कोई और नाम नहीं देना है, डायरेक्ट पांडास भी यूज़ करना है, तो वो भी आप कर सकते हैं. ये हम 11th क्लास में लर्न कर चुके हैं. फाइन. ओके, नाउ दिस इज़ योर first line. Now second thing that we are creating, first thing we have learned how to create using your ND array. Now today we are learning how to create your series using dictionary. Now what is dictionary? Dictionary अगर आपको याद होगा, हम यहाँ पे एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. डिक्शनरी क्या होता है? जब हम पाइथन में क्रिएट करते हैं आपकी कर्ली ब्रेसेस में के अंदर आप क्रिएट करते हैं. यस, हर एक एलिमेंट में दो पार्ट होते हैं. वन इज़ योर इंडेक्स एंड अनदर वन इज़ योर वैल्यू. इंडेक्स लेट्स से 1, then colon, then value. It can be another thing, it can be one or anything that you want. Fine. Then this is your first element. Now for second element you need to put comma. Then let's say your second index I have given colon, then the value, next value here I have given, let's say 2. Fine. Now I have closed this one. Now this is one of the dictionary which has containing two parts. First one is your this is your index, this is your value. Second element is this one, this is your index and this is your value. Now index 1 at position 1, the value is 1. At position A, value is 2. This is how we can create the dictionary. We have learned this dictionary in detail earlier. So using this dictionary we can again create your Panda series. Now I'll tell you. For this, let's say we have created one dictionary having name data. Fine. The first element I am writing down over here is 1 is index and A is value. Second thing I am giving B is index and B is value. Sorry, I have comma in place of colon. And third value I am giving here C as index and 2 as value. Fine, students. Now I am creating a series. Let's say series name is S, using your pd dot series, and within round bracket I have to pass the dictionary name. Now this will create your dictionary. Let's see if you will learn. Sorry, we haven't print anything, so it is not showing anything. we are supposed to print your series. Okay, now if we'll run this one, see what they are displaying: a series having the indexes as 1, B and C, and the value is A, B and 2. Fine students, now let's understand this. What it is going to create? It is going to create a series like let's say this is your series having 3 elements: first, second. The first value in your series here was what? A, B and 2. Fine. Here the value A is stored, here value B is stored, and here value 2 is stored, and the index positions are, I think so, 1, B and C. So index position, first position, this is your B position, and this is your C position. Fine students, so at the series S position 1, A is available, series S, B position B is available, and series S, C, 2 is available. Fine students, is this okay? Okay, now understand we can change the index also here. Fine, now instead of writing 1, I am giving the index again A. At A is available, at B, let's say I'm writing here D is available, and at index position C, let's say 5 is available. Fine, so we have changed a little bit here. What I am doing, I am writing here index is equal to, and right now I am creating a list of values. The list of values I am giving is, let's say B, then A, then let's say X, and right last one is C. Fine. Now see what will happen. What happened? Now understand it. What we did, we created a series having 4 index. First one is B, second one is A, third one is X, and fourth one is C. It is something like this. Now let's suppose this is your dictionary that we created. We created dictionary with 3 values. Yes, dictionary name was data. Sorry, my hand is not clear on this whiteboard, so it's a little bit. See, data, it is having 3 A, B, C indexes and A, D and 5 value. Here A, D and 5 values, and A, B, C are index. A, B and C are index. Fine, this is your dictionary. Now what we have done, we have created a series S with 4 indexes. Fine. What are the indexes? B, A, X and C. So we will write here B, A, X and C. Fine. This is your series S. Now what next? We have taken the data from we have taken the data of series from this dictionary. So from dictionary, if we will try to take the data at index position A, the data is A. So here at index position A, data will come A. At index position B, data is D. So at B, the data will come D. At index position X, nothing is mentioned over here. So your Python will fill here what? N, A, N. That is not a number or no data available. Fine. At index C, 5 is available. So it will fill 5 here. So this series will get created after this coding, and you can see in your output at B, D is available, A is available, X, N is available, and C, 5 is available. Fine students, this is how we can create a series using dictionary. If this is clear, then okay. If not, you can ask any question anytime from me. Fine students. Okay. Now again, another way to create your series is using a scalar value. Fine. I'll tell you how to create using your scalar value. Again, the very first line will be your pandas. Import pandas as, right now I am using P1 to tell you how it is different. Fine. So now I am creating the series. Here I am giving the name to your series as S2. Now P1 dot series, here I am using scalar value, let's say 6, and I am giving index as list, let's say 0, 1, 2. Fine. And after that I am printing your series S2. Fine. Now I am running it. See what happened? 3 indexes are there, 0, 1, 2, and at each place the value 6, scalar value 6 is being filled. Fine. So इस तरीके से आप सीरीज को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ओके. अब हम अलग अलग ऑपरेशन देखेंगे कि सीरीज में हम अलग अलग ऑपरेशन किस तरीके से परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप 2 सीरीज को ऐड करना चाहते हैं. फाइन. सो हियर आई एम राइटिंग अ program which will add 2 series. Just check out the coding carefully. Import pandas as P. Then I am creating first series S1 as P dot series, and I am giving the value. I am directly giving the values using your list. Okay, this is again one way to create the series. Now values I am giving is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 values are here. I am not giving any index. By default the index will be created at 0, 1, 2, 3. So at 0th position 1 will be there, at first position 2 will be there, at second position 3 will be there, and at third position 4 will be there. Fine. If you want to see it, I'll display the output. Print S1. Fine. Now if I'll run, you can see. Fine. Now again I am not printing it. Instead I am creating the another series. Let's say S2 is equal to P dot series, and here I am taking the values again using a list and creating the values. Let's say 6, 7, 2 and 5. Fine. So at 0th position 6 is there, at first position 7, second position 2 and third position 5. Is it clear, students? Now what I am doing, I am adding, let's say A is equal to S1 plus S2. What it will do? It will add to corresponding value of series, means 6 will be get added in with 1. जो इंडेक्स पोजीशन सेम है उन्होंने इंडेक्स पोजीशन की वैल्यू आपकी ऐड हो जाएगी. ओके, सो नाउ प्रिंट A. This will be printing what? The addition. See, 6 plus 1, 7 at 0th position, 7 plus 2, that is 9 at first position, 3 plus 2, 5 at second position, and 4 plus 5, that is 9 at third position. Fine, students. Same way we can perform the multiplication. If I'll do multiply over here. Okay, now again I am running it. 6 1s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6, and 4 5s are 20. Fine, students. If you change the index position, then the value will also change. Like if you will give the index here, let's say I am giving as 0, then 3, then 2, then 1. See, the order will change and the result will also change accordingly. See, what happened? At 0th position 1 is there, so 1 will get multiplied by 6. So 6 1s are 6. Then at second position in first series, at position number 1, it is 4. So 4 will get multiplied by 7. Then at 2 position 3 is available, so 3 will get multiplied by 2, and at 3 position 2 is available, so 2 will get multiplied by 5. Fine, student. So through index you can also change the position of the number in your series, and accordingly your result will get modified. Fine, students. So is this clear? We will continue with the rest of the operation in your next session. Thank you, students.